Hello everybody. Today I am at the Golden Nugget Flea Market in Lambertville, New Jersey. This is an outdoor and indoor flea market where there is a lot of room for displaying and selling things outside. But then there are also several buildings on the property. This is the main one, where there are dozens of stores selling many different items ranging from jewelry to furniture to toys to video games. So I'm going to take a look around. As you can see, there is a lot to look at and buy here. These are just so colorful. More expedition space. Nice clothing over there. And here they have some flowers. So there's a wide array of things that they sell at this flea market. Sometimes they even sell produce. Some neat things at this table. And look at this book. I'm not going to get it, but it looks very interesting. Here they have a vintage camera. On the other end of the facility are these buildings here. I think this used to be a restaurant, but it's being extensively remodeled. This whole place is actually undergoing large renovations. Now, these are the pavilions where you can reserve tables. Tables underneath the pavilions cost more to reserve than the ones outside, but you do have the advantage of being protected from the elements and in the complete shade. Here's a sign about the market renovations. And as you can see, there's still a lot of space underneath. More expedition space here near the back. The other end of the main building. The office for the facility is located on that hill. Check this out. I just got this very old 3D lunar landing puzzle from 1984 for $15. They certainly have great deals. And I can't wait to put it together and show it to you all.
Now for money, once the currency is the own currency.
He wanted to buy the building. If they raised this land or something.
It's too new. Like a spec.
This is the second floor. Look at these beautiful stones. And now I'm leaving. Thank you very much for watching this video of the Golden Nugget Flea Market. Please stay tuned for more.